Tackle your jobs with the Craftsman V20 20-volt max grinder. A high-performance motor has the power needed for grinding, and its cast metal gear housing provides durability. It's designed with a spindle lock that makes it easy to change the wheel. A contoured 3-position handle provides comfort, and when you're finished, you can easily hang it up out of the way. Add the powerful Craftsman V20 20-volt max grinder to your home improvement arsenal and make demanding projects easy. Craftsman, we build pride.
Introducing Makita SJS2 high-power angle grinders that combine high-amperage motors with less vibration. The angle grinders are powered by a 12-amp motor for demanding applications with a compact size and vibration-reducing features for increased comfort during extended use. Makita's exclusive SJS2 breaks new ground with improved gear protection, reduced vibration, and extended grinder life. SJS2 provides a leaf spring and can gear drive mechanism that is engineered to reduce vibration for increased operator comfort during extended use. Both grinders are equipped with a 3-part electronic controller with constant speed control, soft start, and an electronic current limiter. What this means is continuous power, longer gear and motor life, and overload motor protection. There's also protection features built inside. Labyrinth construction protects the motor with a complex set of channels, prohibiting dust and contamination from damaging the drive bearing. Zigzag epoxy adds another degree of protection, applied to both sides of the armature coil for longer tool life.
With stricter regulations on job sites, Dewalt has built even larger systems of professional power tools, hand tools, and accessories to help minimize dust on site, provide tool control, and lessen user handle vibration. Dewalt's Table 1 compliant dust extraction systems provide better working environments and include unique features like airlock to connect the tools to dust extraction shrouds, cowlings, and minimize cleanup on site. The E-clutch system senses motion of the tool and reduces motor torque to a manageable level if necessary. Kickback brake engages when a pinch, stall, or bind-up is sensed, quickly stopping the wheel. Shock's active vibration control reduces vibration felt by the user at the handles. With a system this vast and innovation continuing to change the game, Dewalt puts perform and protect features at the forefront. Your first line of defense, Dewalt. Guaranteed tough.
Introducing the new high-powered Makita SJS angle grinders. The super joint system loosens the coil spring to allow the spindle to rotate freely to disengage. The result? Longer life. Next, the current limiter automatically and gradually increases the current to full power, also known as soft start technology. Add in a labyrinth-style construction to fight dust and debris for increased performance. Reach for Makita's new high-powered angle grinders. Reach for SJS.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion cutoff tool and grinder, PCC 761B, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. A high-performance motor produces 8,500 rotations per minute for fast and smooth cutting, removal. Each tool comes standard with a tool-free cutting and grinding guard, allowing users to quickly and safely adjust the guard. This tool also features a 3-position side handle for control and comfortable use of tool, a durable cast metal gear housing to help dissipate heat during extended use. 20-volt max compact and max pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max cutoff tool grinder combines speed, performance, durability, versatility, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.